Hi, today we are going to see about something commodity, okay, for a change. Crude oil. Okay, crude oil is a more volatile last 2 months. Okay, during the coronavirus. Okay, in fact, all know. Okay, there's two crude oil. Okay, WTI, and the Brent oil. Okay, let's see that some differences. What are differences in WTI and Brent oil, and how its impact to the MCS crude oil, India MCS crude oil. Okay. First, what is WTI means Western Texas Intermediate. Okay, that will produce in US. Brent oil that's in UK. Okay, this is a one thing. Another thing is WTI is better for petrol, and this Brent oil is better for diesels. Okay, this is one of the difference. And another difference is usually Brent oil is from the OPEC countries, but from the WTI is from the US. Okay, and the thing Brent oil is taken majorly from the sea sites. Okay, but WTI is taken from the landlords. Okay, not in sea sites. So the cost is higher than WTI. Cost is higher for WTI than the Brent. Why means Brent is taken from sea sites, so the transportation is by ships. Okay. So that will minimize the cost of the production and transportation. But here WTI is taken from the land sites, usually in Texas, like that in US. So the transportation cost is higher. Okay, so usually for the crude oil transportation transportation maintained. So WTI transportation is through pipelines and trains. Okay, pipelines transportation is much higher than the trains. Okay, this is a major difference. Usually India is imported from the OPEC countries only. Okay, Russia, like that. So that is the main difference regarding WTI and the Brent oil. Usually Brent oil is a higher sulfur content and light also. WTI is also light. Okay, light and heavy. What is the difference means? Light oil is it will float in water. Okay, but heavy crude oil is sink in water. Okay, that's the one difference. The API gravity is higher in Brent oil. Okay, API gravity means American Petroleum Institute. Okay, that's a measurement of the density of the oil. Okay, that will come around 10 to 70. That's one of the differences. And then Brent price is the most reliable indicator for the global oil prices when compared to the WTI. Here in MCS, how we are calculating whether WTI or Brent oil. Let's see how MCS prices are trading. Okay. The last closing price is 1857. Okay. How we are calculating 1857? Usually the crude oil prices is taking direction from the WTI and the Brent oil. Okay. So based on that moment only our crude oil MCS prices will move. How 1857 like that will come now? Let's see that. Here you see crude oil WTI. The price is 24.62. And take UC INR future price. That means 7573 close. Okay. So let's calculate the thing. So USD INR May future into 24.62 divided by 100. The price is 1864. 18.64. Okay. Crude oil closing price is 1857. Okay. So I taken crude oil WTI closing prices. Okay. After our MCS is closed, crude oil WTI is always will trade. Okay. So I take closing prices 2468. So USD INR into WTI divided by 100 is our crude oil price, crude oil MCX price. So crude oil May future is closed at 1857. So 1863 is if you multiply the base gain. So like that only we are taking MCS crude oil price from WTI into our USD INR. Okay. If you see, always Brent oil is trading premium to the WTI. Okay. 1 month before WTI May futures went to negative minus 30, 38, 40 like that. Okay, but Brent oil not went negative. It's traded at 18 to 17. Okay, so Brent oil is a standard one. So on the time, if our MCS market is open now, we will trade it at WTI only. So we also possible to go into negative. Okay, so Brent always traded with premium to the WTI. Okay, if WTI go to negative, also Brent oil won't go to negative. Usually, what are the factors will drive the crude oil prices? First thing is global economy. Okay, let's take the example of now COVID-19. Okay, during the full world is on lockdown, no transportation, no usage of fuel, no import export within the country or outside the countries. Okay, so the demand of oil is gone down. No one is taking the crude oil for the diesel or petrol. So only last 2 months or 3 months, crude oil is down from $60 to minus $30 like that. Okay, so no transportation, no usage of oils. Okay, no buses, no ships, and so this will take crude oil into negative. Okay. Another driver is Gulf Wars. Okay, usually example of Gulf Wars 1990, 1991s. Okay, that time one of the example. Another thing is if any war, okay, between Russia, Saudi Arabia, or any explosion in Saudi Arabia and Russia, means crude oil will go up because the supply will be disrupted. Okay, so the demand will go high. Okay, so in that case crude oil will go high. Like COVID-19 cases, crude oil will go down. Okay, that's the difference between two things. Okay, OPEC will playing is important role in the cutting the production or increasing the production. That also will play an important role in the crude oil movement. Okay, based on the production cut or supply cut or increase the production, the crude oil go high or go down like that. Okay, so this is something about the crude oil. Bye.